Maharashtra continues to stay divided over Akshay Shinde's encounter. Shinde's father has now filed a petition in the Bombay High Court. He sought a probe by a special investigation team into the matter. He claimed that he was killed in a fake encounter, alleged a conspiracy by the police and management of the Badlapur school. On Tuesday, a team of 5 doctors performed post-mortem of Akshay Shinde's body for 7 hours, and the report was handed to the police. According to the details accessed by India Today, Akshay Shinde had sustained a bullet injury on the head and lost a lot of blood, which eventually became the reason for his death. Meanwhile, the opposition continues to pound the Maharashtra government over the matter and highlight a lot of lapses by the police in the case. Opposition is alleging that Akshay Shinde was encountered as the government is trying to shield someone and are demanding a court-monitored probe in this matter.
अक्षय शिंदे का एनकाउंटर मुंब्रा बाईपास रोड पर हुआ। इस पूरी घटना में पुलिस वैन कहीं पर भी नहीं रुकी। वैन दौड़ती रही और अंदर एनकाउंटर हो गया। एक गोली अक्षय शिंदे को लगती है, एक गोली पुलिस वाले को लगती है और टोटल 4 गोलियां इस पुलिस वैन के अंदर चलती है। लेकिन जो पुलिस वैन तलोजा जेल से अक्षय शिंदे को लेकर निकली थी, वो सीधे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अस्पताल कलवा आकर रुकती है। पुलिस का कहना है कि उनकी प्राथमिकता ये थी कि जो लोग इस पूरे घटना में इंजर्ड है उनको अस्पताल ले जाया जाए, इसलिए उन्होंने पुलिस वैन को कहीं पर भी नहीं रोका। चौंकाने वाली बात यह है कि पूरे मुंब्रा बाईपास रोड पर इस घटना को कैप्चर करते हुए कोई भी सीसीटीवी फुटेज नहीं है, कोई भी आई विटनेस अभी तक नहीं है। बदलापुर केस के आरोपी अक्षय शिंदे का पोस्टमार्टम कल मुंबई स्थित जेजे अस्पताल में किया गया। लगभग 7 घंटे तक पोस्टमार्टम हुआ। फिलहाल अक्षय शिंदे की जो डेड बॉडी है वो कलवा के छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अस्पताल में रखी गई है और परिवार वालों ने पुलिस पर गंभीर आरोप लगाए हैं। परिवार का कहना है कि 1 हफ्ते पहले ही अक्षय ने शिकायत की थी कि उसको बहुत बुरी तरह पीटा जा रहा है और उसे जल्द से जल्द इस जेल से निकाला जाए। परिवार वालों का ये कहना है कि ये एनकाउंटर नहीं है, ये एक कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर है और कई लोगों को बचाने के लिए अक्षय शिंदे को मौत के घाट उतारा है पुलिस ने।
तो ये सब एक पर्दा ढकने की बात है। जो मरा वो मरा, हम चाहते थे उसकी लीगल कार्रवाई कर रास्ते के चौराहे पे उसकी सजा होनी चाहिए थी। उसको जो फांसी पे लटकाना था, चौराहे पे करना चाहिए था। तो ये जो काम किया है वो दिखाता है कि इसमें बहुत सारी परत है जो अब तक उजागर नहीं हुई है। उसको छुपाने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी और मिंदे की लेना कर रही है।
All right, now this has got to do with the death of Akshay Shinde, who was encountered, shot in the head. But the cops say that this was in self-defense. The opposition has raised questions asking whether this is an attempt to cover up. The Maharashtra government is going after the opposition, saying that they are in fact protecting a rapist here. This kind of back and forth continues between the opposition and the government, even as the family of the accused here, the accused rapist who was shot dead, have now approached a court of law. The father of the accused, Akshay Shinde, has moved the High Court right now, even as the opposition and the government in the state of Maharashtra are hurling accusations at each other. The opposition continues to pound the government over the matter, highlight that a lot of lapses by the police has happened in this case, and is there an attempt to protect someone else? Akshay Shinde was encountered, says the opposition, as the government is trying to shield someone else. Mustafa getting in more details. Mustafa, in all of this, the family of the accused who's been killed or encountered, like the police say, have moved the court of law. Give us an idea about what exactly have they said in their petition, even as the politics over this matter rages on.
Well, since the time this issue of Akshay Shinde death had come forward, it was being said from the family and from the opposition in Maharashtra that this is an encounter. This is something which was planned, and it has not happened by accident. So initially there was a demand for a judicial inquiry, and after which the family had refused to take Akshay Shinde's body for last rites, and now it seems that they have moved forward asking for justice. And basically they are questioning the circumstances in which this death has taken place. Remember, it was a sexual assault case for minors. The locals of the Badlapur had come out. They had protested in front of railway tracks. They had asked for capital punishment for the accused. And later, a charge sheet in the case was submitted. 2 people are absconding in this case. Akshay Shinde died while he was in police custody, and hence these questions are being raised now. Back to you.
All right. Thanking you for the moment, for getting in those details. Mustafa, with that report on the manner in which the family has now, in fact, challenged this rather in a court of law, saying that this is a violation of human rights and that this was cold-blooded murder, is what the family has said. The opposition has said the attempt is to cover up. There's some sort of a cover-up here, is what the opposition is saying. The government has accused the opposition of protecting and shielding a rapist in this matter. Remember, when this encounter took place, the police essentially said that this was in self-defense. But the family says that this was a cold-blooded murder because there was a bullet mark on the left side of the head, is what is now being said. 4 shots are fired, 3 by the accused, 1 by the inspector. 2 policemen were also injured in this attack, is what we know. The CID, meanwhile, has taken over this matter of the encounter of the rapist in the Badlapur case, Akshay Shinde.